Hey guys, welcome to the Potsy. My name is AJ.
Hello guys, and this is Lex. Welcome back to another video.
Hey, so today we're going to talk to you about the stock market and other topics in general that's in everyone's mind. Today we'll start off with Bed Bath and Beyond. It was a very volatile stock today. So let's get started with Nasdaq. Nasdaq was down 1%, S&P was down 0.6%, Dow Jones was down 0.1%. Now, why is there a choppy session today? It's because tomorrow Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will be speaking, and that's a very important speech that he might be giving to see where we are as the economy is either in the brink of recession or in the brink of another bull run. So uh let's get started. Talk about BBBY. So BBBY, do you see this chart, Lex?
I do see it.
Started with
It's
$3. This looks like a very handsome chart. Like this is like one of my favorite charts if you are a day trader. Now it started off at $3 and everyone at this during this time started hearing about BBBY, which made AMC go up, which made GME go up. It was like, the apes are in the market right now. Everyone heard it. So people started investing and it went up all the way and skyrocketed to $7. Now, in the after hours, it offered what a company would call it a price offering, or they were giving extra shares. That's why it tumbled, like it went back to like $3.40. So if I was an investor, I would not put a long-term investors, I would not put my money in this company. Like I just wouldn't do it.
so what is it the company right now in trouble financially? Is it, I mean, why is not a good idea to invest in this company? Are they going bankruptcy? But are they trying to uh, get more investors into their pocket so they can stay alive?
Yeah, this company is on the brink of bankruptcy. So, companies that are usually in the brink of bankruptcies, and because this was a company that was in talks a lot. So, in like especially in apps like Reddit and everything, it's a popular company. So, you see these big like spikes, right? So when a company sees these kind of big spikes, they tend to like see, hey, we're about to get bankrupt and we mentioned it, but since our stock is going up, why not try to keep the company alive? So then they offer a price offering, which is basically giving shareholders more shares. So when you add more shares into the specific stock, it decreases the value of the stock. So all that's why all this went down, and they want like at least $1 billion of equity to stay away from bankruptcy. Now, uh, why would I say that's bad? Well, let me show you. If you look at their market cap, it's not even worth $1 billion, first of all. Second, then you would want to go to their financials. Now, on the revenue side, they're minus 32%. Profit minus 57%. Operating income, just to keep that store going, it's minus 300%. And it's not only like that for one quarter, it's been like that for the past 4 quarters at least. And another thing, if you go back to the chart, you go back to the 1 hour, the only reason, or sorry, let's go to the day. The only reason it even went up to $54 was that it's because the stock market was on some steroids called the stimulus package, which basically put a lot of stocks into their 52-week highs. But after that, it's been decline after decline after decline every quarter. And now it's just on the brink of bankruptcy trying to save itself. So if I was an investor, no, I would be a big no no. And it's not financial advice. If you want to put your money into this, you go right ahead. I'm not gonna tell you no, but I'm gonna give you my opinion, which is no.
So you personally would not do it. That's what you're
Personally,
basically saying.
I would not do it for a long term. I would do it for some, day trading. And I did like buy a call right here and I sold it around right here. Just quick, in and out. I'm not, it's too volatile for me to like, stay in. And I don't want to lose money like that. I don't have free money to give out.
Good information.
Yes, yes. All right. So what's on the agenda next, Mr. Lex?
Okay, well, first of all, thank you for that video. It was
You.
the information was great. I'm gonna keep that in mind because like it just by now a lot of people should know that I don't know much about stocks.
Yeah,
You do.
you will.
So
I got you.
I'm gonna keep that in mind. Well, the next one, the next topic is the weather balloon, the Chinese weather balloon. Some said that it is a weather balloon, the Chinese, and the Americans said that it is a spy balloon. Which one it is, we don't know yet. Hopefully, they're gonna find out. But my problem, AJ, is that this balloon came through Alaska. Listen to this. He came through Alaska, went to Canada, came
Montana.
back to the US through Idaho, went to Montana, Wyoming, Nebraska, Missouri, Tennessee, and finally it went out through South Carolina.
Correct.
And until then, they took it down. The US government took action after, to me, it was too late. Because apparently it went through several US Army base, which I don't think the US should allow that to happen. What do you think?
Well, I think one of the reasons why they did not want to shoot it down is because it was like three school buses wide and it could pose a threat to the public if it landed somewhere wrong. They had no way to stop it, so that's why they waited till it went to the ocean to shoot it
I
down.
do. I do understand that, and that is a good point. Uh, but at the same time, it went through Montana, Nebraska.
Yeah,
There's a lot of space there, land space that they can shut it down. But
correct.
I'm sure there is a reason, and maybe it is what you're saying. Maybe they didn't want to risk anybody in the process of it. But if you ask me, I think it was a spy, uh, a balloon, not a weather balloon. I just don't think it's a weather balloon. What would that balloon be in the U.S. airspace?
Well, they did say that, it had some kind of machinery where it could change its course automatically. So
Yeah,
we'll see what happens with that.
and China is not too happy about it too. I'm sure if that would have been a U.S. weather balloon in China airspace, I'm sure they would have taken the same option. They would have shut it down.
Yeah, they definitely would, and well, we'll see what happens with that spy balloon. And on some more heartbreaking news, there was a 7.8 magnitude earthquake that hit Syria and Turkey. Did you hear about that?
When did that happen? Did that happen today?
I don't know. It happened last night, and so far I think 4,300 Syrians are dead. Uh, 20, like close to 3,000 people in Turkey are dead, and like 16,000 injured. It was a very big earthquake. Like I seen the
How
video.
how big was it?
Seven point
Was
eight.
that like over 7%? I mean,
Yeah,
I'm sorry, 7.7,
yeah, 7.8. And
7.8.
that magnitude was like shaking buildings. Man, I saw some scenes. I It was like from like those disaster movies. Like it was horrible. We are gonna post the link down in the description to for the people who do want to donate. Anything will help, and it will go directly to those people over there in Syria and Turkey that are affected by this earthquake.
Our prayers goes to their, you know, to the people in Turkey and the countries around Turkey because it was, if you say it was 7.8, right?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
was that
yeah.
was massive.
Morning time, so like people are probably sleeping, and then next thing you know, they're under rubble, and it's just terrible,
Yeah.
what they're going.
Well, let's hope each country's government is going to help their citizens get back to their feet and rebuild.
Yeah, man. Prayers go out to that family. Uh, we'll try to give you more, news and updates of finance, of world events, and stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share. We'll try to give you better content every video. We'll try to be better.
Yes. And thank you guys for being patient. And like always, thank you for coming back. See you in
All
the
right.
next one.
See you in the next one. Bye.